Time to water our garden.
Yes, Grandpa. Can I help?
Of course. Watch how I do it. Look at these beautiful vegetables we picked today.
Yes, Grandpa. They look so fresh.
Here, hold this one.
Wow, thank you.
Scrub them well, beta. Get all the dirt off.
Yes, Daddy. Almost done.
Good boy. Such a big help. Perfect.
Gently now, pat the soil.
Like this, Grandpa?
Yes, just like that.
It will grow strong.
I did it.
Here's your coffee, dear.
Thank you, my love.
And one for you, beta.
Thank you, Daddy. Grandpa, the sunset is so beautiful.
It is. It reminds me of my youth.
Will you tell me about it?
Of course.